Hey everybody, welcome back to the shed. A little bit different video this evening. I have a pair of shoes and I'm going to do a little how-to on how to clean up these dress shoes here. I have a pair of Rockports. They are my size 12. I picked these up at a local thrift store and they needed a little cleanup, but they were in great shape. The soles are in great shape. The laces were still in good shape. I've gave them a once over, cleaning the soles and all up, but the leather on them needs a little bit of conditioning, and I'm going to show you what I'm working with here. All right, this is the shoe that has not been done. And that's what it looks like right there. You can see how dried out looking it is, how scuffed up it is. You can see the sides. It's not in the best of shape. I mean, the leather is still in good condition. These shoes aren't super dirty. You can see I've already cleaned the bottom of them up. There's a little bit of wear on the back of the heel, but other than that, they're in really good shape. And here is the one that I've already fixed, or should I say conditioned. You can see how much darker it is. It actually looks it looks wet. It looks like leather should look. But we're going to take this one down here and we're going to get it to look like the one I've already done. I mean, look at the difference in those two shoes, y'all. Look how light that is. All right, and what we're going to use here to do this is some stuff called Dr. Martin's Wonder Balsam, and there will be a link down in the description of the video showing y'all where you can get it. I buy it from Amazon, and like I said, it'll be down there. Y'all, if y'all are interested in it, just click on that link and you can get some of your own. But I'm gonna open this stuff up, show you what it looks like, and then we're gonna clean this shoe up. All right, y'all, hopefully my light will be good enough in here. I may have to move this thing. Yeah, we'll leave it right here. Hopefully my light's going to be good enough in here that y'all are going to be able to see everything. But there it is, Dr. Martin's Wonder Balsam, and I'll open it up. I want to kind of keep everything in frame so you know I'm not lying to you. But it comes with this little bit of foam here, and I may have to turn my other light on up here. Yeah, we'll try that. So it comes with this little bit of foam. It's got a little tray in it to keep the foam out of the balsam. And there it is inside there. It's kind of hard to see, but it looks kind of like wax, but it's not as hard as wax. And all we're going to do, I'll show you, this is the bad shoe. All we're going to do is we're going to take a little bit of this, we're going to dip this sponge in there and get a little bit on it. Don't know how well you can see that, but just put a little dab on it. And I'm going to show you this little scratch right here. We're going to take that out. And all I'm doing is just blending this stuff in there, just rubbing it in. Give it some circular motion, you know, go side to side, up and down with it. And hopefully you can see it. It's gone. Just like that, it's covered it up. You wouldn't even know it was ever there. All right, I'm gonna switch my angle and continue working on this. All right, so hopefully y'all can still see what I'm doing here, and I'm just gonna get me a little bit more on it. Now, this thing, I probably used, I don't even know, 1/20th of what comes in this thing, and I've already done 3 or 4 pairs of shoes with it. But all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna continue going around, and all these little scuffs and dry spots on it, I'm gonna get rid of them. Here's a good one right here. I don't know if y'all can see that, but there's a good one right on that side, really scuffed up and dried out. And I'm gonna work on that one right now. Get my hand in here, start rubbing this in, give it some circles, back and forth, up and down. Gotta put a little bit of elbow grease in this, not too much. Alright, there you go. There's what it looks like now. Totally different looking spot on that shoe right there. Alright, now I'm just gonna go ahead and clean the rest of the shoe up, and I'll probably speed this up for y'all so you don't have to watch the whole process. Or I could just let it go to full length so you see how long it takes me. This video's at, alright, let's see how long this takes. Hopefully this will help y'all. You know, even if you don't buy shoes at a thrift shop to resell, you know, you might find some shoes like this for just a few bucks at a thrift store or a yard sale, and I mean, it might be something you want to wear for yourself. I mean, why not pick up a pair of shoes like this for like $5, $8, something like that, and then use it for your own. I mean, you get a good fairly expensive pair of shoes for cheap, and then fix it up yourself. And all I'm doing right now is just working on the tongue, just trying to get it rubbed in there real good. Keep working on the top of the toe here a little bit. Like I said, all I'm doing is just putting a little bit on my sponge and working it in there. This stuff works on dress shoes, you know, your casual shoes. It works on work boots. You got some old leather work boots. Yep, just going around it, making sure to hit every spot. Shoe already looks, it looks twice as good as it did before. You know, this will go from a $10 pair of shoes to a $30 pair of shoes in just a few minutes. And this Dr. Martens Wonder Balsam is not expensive. I can't remember exactly how much I paid for it. I have to look on Amazon to tell you. I think it was like $8 and something. But you will do a bunch of shoes with just one can of this. And these shoes are going to look good. I don't even know what these shoes are worth, y'all. I really hadn't even looked them up. I just thought it would be a good project to do, to show y'all what this Dr. Martens product would do for you. And no, I am not affiliated with Dr. Martens at all. You know, I'm not sponsored by them. Nobody's paying me or anything. So don't get it twisted. I'm not trying to make any money off of y'all. I'm just showing you a product that works, just like a product review, you know, just in my own time for you. Now, I don't know if y'all can see this, but this spot right back here on the back of this heel, it's not showing up real good here, but this side is really light. I'm going to hit that spot right there and repair that. And all it takes is a little bit of that stuff. I tell you, these shoes are going to look so much better. I'm guessing, I mean, these are Rockports. They're in good shape. They're a good size. Anywhere from like a size 10 to a size 12 in men's is normally a good size to flip. They sell fairly quickly. Of course, you have to have a good shoe. You have to have something somebody's looking for. I mean, you can't just put any old shoe up there, and just because it's a 10 to a 12, it's not going to sell just because of that. But all right. I think I'm in it for about 4 minutes here. That's all I've been working on this thing. So you could do 2 shoes in anywhere around 8 to 10 minutes if you're in that kind of condition. But I'm gonna go ahead and put my stuff up here. You don't have to clean this sponge out or anything. Just stick it right back in there. It doesn't get hard or anything. Alright, y'all, I got my pictures taken. I'm gonna throw them up here somewhere so y'all can see the finished product. And those are those are the pictures that I'm going to use to post those things on eBay, Mercari, and Poshmark. I'm going to put them on 3 different platforms, that way the most eyes possible can see those things. And again, there they are, finished product, Dr. Martin's Wonder Balsam. Y'all, it's down there in the description of the video. If that's something you think you need, if you want to fix your shoes up like that, then get you some of it. Follow the link in the description. If you learned something, please give my video a thumbs up. Consider subscribing to the channel. And if you like this kind of content, or if you want to learn to become a reseller, or if you want to just find deals at Walmart, Ollie's, Target, places like that, click that notification bell and you'll be notified every time I put up a new video. Thank y'all for being here, and I'll see you on the next one. Bye bye.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't know.